Got a Zoom meeting invitation and you're not sure how to join? Whether it's for work, school, or a virtual event, joining a Zoom meeting is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join a Zoom meeting in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch the Zoom Workplace app on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can also join through your web browser if the meeting host allows it. Using the desktop app usually gives you the best experience. On the Zoom home screen, click the Join button. This lets you enter a meeting without having to schedule one yourself. If you received a meeting link, you can also click it directly to open Zoom. Now type the meeting ID provided by the host. You can also enter your display name if you're joining without signing in. Make sure the meeting ID is entered exactly as it appears in the invitation. Before joining, choose whether to connect with your microphone and camera. You can also decide if you'd like to join with your audio muted or your video turned off. These settings can be changed later during the meeting if needed. Click Join to enter the meeting. If the meeting requires a passcode, enter it when prompted. If the host has enabled a waiting room, you'll remain there until you're admitted. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see controls for muting your microphone, turning your camera on or off, sharing your screen, opening the chat, and leaving the meeting. So you're now ready to participate in your Zoom meeting. And that's how to join a Zoom meeting. Whether you use a meeting link or a meeting ID, the process is simple once you know the steps. Checking your microphone and camera before joining can help everything go smoothly from the start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.